very impressed doing so well, and I think AIKO is well ahead of the game. Yes, I've just had the privilege of visiting the AIKO factory and very impressed with their cell technology. So I personally believe that silicon technology will evolve to its highest efficiency embodiment. And if you look at the history of solar cell commercialization, the cell technology has incrementally improved from fairly rudimentary technology to increasingly more sophisticated technology. So I think AIKO is well ahead of the game in progressing to the all-back contact technology, which I think will give you the highest possible efficiency. The back contact technology has several advantages, as well as the efficiency advantage, because you don't have the shading on the front of the cell that you have with some of the other technologies. The interconnections create less stress in the cells because they're just going from back of one cell to back of the next cell, rather than having to pass from the front of one cell to the next, and then being able to control the reverse bias properties of the cell if you get a shadow coming across the module. And the back contact cells are better suited for handling that as well. So that's another advantage that improves the reliability. Back contact represents the ultimate in terms of being able to build in reliability into the panel. I guess for a given area of panel you can charge more quickly because you're getting more power output, but I think the more efficient the solar cells can be made, the more quickly we can install large quantities of solar, because they require less supporting structures and groundworks and so on. The more efficient the panel is. AIKO is leading the world in terms of the efficiency of its commercial panels, so they're selling very well in Australia. We have one big project with AIKO in our research and development, and that is using a down converter on the front of the cell. So we're making some promising progress in that project. So that's the main project that we have now. I'm personally hoping that it's another bumper year for photovoltaics, because the world desperately needs to adopt clean energy as quickly as it can, and AIKO has a brilliant product for meeting that need.